Kau 31 Tuhan Tuhan 50 yang mulia hari bahagia sambut dengan jiwa yang merdeka. Colonialism is ada kacapannya bloody good, bloody shit. See, I don't know and I don't care. Atau still happening under the guise of globalization.
Sebelum saya jawab ini soalan, saya mau tanya satu kisah. Bila saya kecil, saya melamar kasih saya tose. Bila saya sudah sampai sini tinggi, dia kasih masalah tose. Bila saya sudah cukup tinggi, dia kasih rawat tose. Lepas itu saya bini datang. Saya bini cakap, halo, Tambi, tengok sudah makan tose semua hidup, sudah gemuk sekarang. Banyak karbohidrat makan. Tuntara pernah dengar Atkins diet, tapi makan karbohidrat. Inna nara anjir seorang apa? So, saya ingat jawapan dia di.
I was only 19 years old at that time, in school in MBSKL. Same age as you know. And this Malay fella told me, they're killing the Chinese in town. The Malays are killing the Chinese in town.
Yeah, you see what happened, Kampong Baru. You know the Chinese, right? The Chinese, they take the pork, you know the pork. They take the pork, they chop the pork. You know, chop, pork. They take the pork, then they cut the pork some more. And then they throw at the Malays. The Malays, they run,
I thought I better go back. And I went into a taxi. I thought your grandparents might be worried, so I go back lah. I take a taxi and then I say, I want to go Kampong Baru. He said, you Malay ah? You Malay, you better go Kampong Baru. But I want to go Kampong Baru. I'm Chinese. I only look Malay. Then you better not go to Kampong Baru. Kampong Baru. Who are you going to vote for? That Chinese fella. Which Chinese fella? Whichever Chinese fella who runs our course. But what if two Chinese fellas run against each other? Then how? Then I'll see lah. If one is also a Tan, then I will vote for him. Or if one is also a Hokkien, then I will vote for him.
Jiwa Melayu harus merdeka dari arti kata sebenar-benarnya.
Tapi kita belum bersedia.
Masa tidak menunggu kita? Coba engkau lihat, bukan saja kaum Melayu yang merana, ada juga ahli kaum yang lain yang berada di tempat yang sama.
Maka mereka pun bertarunglah.
Hai,
Di mana hendak diletakkan asas negara? Yang mana patut didahulukan? Kemiskinan ataupun bangsa?
First time I heard the word kapengenalan, I thought it was my getting to know you card. But I already knew me. Turns out the powers that be needed to know me so they could show me they were the powers that be by demanding to see my eyes see. The Malaysian identity card contains your name, your parents' name, your address, your photograph, your fingerprints, a microchip, and your identification number. That's not enough information. What about my sexual preferences? What about my dietary restrictions? What about my ambivalence? What about my secret fantasy of fucking in a stolen ambulance? Am I left-handed? Am I right-handed? Can I tell goodbye jokes? All they want from you is your identity card, the army, the clinics, the banks, Antasapuri, the hospitals, your condominium. You see, if you don't have this amazing front stage pass, then you don't have an identity! So you can't sign any official forms. So you don't have a license to live!
There's a lot of things in my mind, I thought it was the end of my journey, but then if you want to have freedom, you have to fight for it. If I don't do it now, I will never do it, So basically the word was freedom,
Membangkitkan sadarlah kamu
Ah.